Hi, my name is Shelle Soelberg, and I'm the creator of Let's Play Music. Welcome to the Orange Roots semester, the final step in your Let's Play Music journey. This is the semester where we will take all of the skills and concepts that we've been introducing and combine them to create a truly solid foundation for your child. This semester dives deep into chord structure and into composition. First of all, with chord structure, we're going to learn that a root is the important part to recognize in any chord. The root is what determines the function of the chord. So we need to be able to find those roots, figure out what they mean, and then we'll really be able to understand chord function and be able to manipulate and hear and play any chord in any style once we know that root. We'll also practice doing different inversions and variations of all kinds of chords. This will magnify your pianist's ability to improvise and to read music and finally to compose. Your child's composition is the crowning event of this semester. During the semester, you will have 2 weeks where you'll meet privately with your teacher to begin the grand finale of composing a unique piece. And your child will grow as a musician and in confidence as they play this piece at the graduating recital. It truly is a culmination of Let's Play Music because the word compose means to piece together. And as your child pieces together their knowledge of harmony and melody and chord structure and rhythm and time signature, as well as form with codas, repeating sections, and introductions, they truly will be composing a piece that is all their own and that is so exciting. We are glad that you're here. We hope you love this final step of Let's Play Music and that you are truly feeling the joy of making music and making musicians in your home. So glad you're here.